the student union would like to say that however this decision that is being taken by the ministry is not in total favor of the students' demand, as our top demand, our top priority is the removal of the vice chancellor, which till date we have not received any such notification, information or what order whatsoever issued by the Minister of Education. Certainly the government has constituted this committee, which the student union would want to give a very clear and categorical message that despite of them constituting this committee, the student union will be continuing with this indefinite hunger strike as our demands have not been fulfilled till date, that is the removal of the vice chancellor. With regards to the members that they have been the members that were instituted for this particular committee for the inquiry, the student union would have really appreciated and applauded if the Ministry of Education would have included at least one member who belongs from this particular state, who knows this region very well, who is more acquainted with this history of this university as well as the working of this university and as the state as a whole. As of now, what we see is that the only two members that is being appointed by the committee, by the Ministry of Education, I think it is solely basis on the qualification, on the experiences. However, they have not taken into consideration the geographical factor as well as the history, the kind of experiences which the member should have at least have into consideration with regards to the history as well as with regards to the overall functioning of the state and all overall well-being of the community of this particular state, this particular region.